In today's video, I am going to share with you 5 hidden Mac keyboard shortcuts you will end up using every single day, just like me. Hey everyone, welcome back to Crazyators. Starting with something very common that we all use almost every day. Spotlight search is just not a search bar. Press Command plus space on the keyboard and here it is. It becomes more like an instant toolbox. Search apps, files, settings, do some math, convert currencies in real time, or look up definitions without even opening any dictionary app. You can also preview any of these results by only selecting and tapping on the space bar on the keyboard. Just like that. Control key on Mac keyboard and a click on trackpad opens the right side menu on any file or app. Now this gives you access to the complete toolbox. For example, we have selected an image right now, and if I move cursor to this option, quick actions, we have a submenu and we have plenty of options over here, especially if you have an image and you wish to remove the background. You don't have to buy a premium tool anymore in order to do that. All you have to do is simply click on this remove background and this will remove a background. This is the image we removed the background from, and this is the original image. And let me put it side by side to show you the difference. Just like that. It doesn't stop here. You have a video, you wish to trim it, you wish to edit a video, simply press and hold the control key, click on the video file, you have access to the toolbox and get to quick actions. From here, you can rotate the direction of the video, or you can also click on trim to actually trim that video. Now from here, you can move this bar to select the section and accordingly click on done. And that's it. Now this from here, you can save it as a new clip or replace the original one. On Macs, we use Command Tab to switch between apps. But what if you have multiple windows open in one app? Press Command and tilde together, this button at the left side top corner, to switch between windows within same app. And when you're done, you wish to hide one of these apps, all you do is Command H to hide them. On a Mac, if you wish to capture a screenshot, press Shift, Command, and number 3 altogether, and the screenshot is done. But did you know, by pressing Shift, Command, and number 5, you get access to Screenshot and Recording Control Center. If you want to simply capture the entire screen, you select this option, click on it, and the whole screen will be captured in a moment. From the same toolbar, you can select your preferred option, capture selected window, capture selected portion, or if you wish to record this screen, click on this, record entire screen, record selected window, or record the selected portion. You can also resize this entirely. You can also click on this options to select the timer, select where you want to save the recordings to, or you can also choose your microphone from this list. Few years back, I used third-party tools to capture windows or record screens, but now I use this built-in tool, all free. This is probably one of the most underrated keyboard shortcuts on Mac. You can preview every file and folder what's inside it without opening. Select any folder or file on your screen or in Finder and simply press the space button to preview that. Now you want to check another file status, click on it directly. If you wish to see preview in the full screen mode, then you can press and hold Option key on the keyboard and press a space button, and boom, it goes the full screen. These Mac keyboard shortcuts might sound simple, but using them every day adds value. It will make your Mac user experience instantly faster and smarter. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe Crazyators for future tech tips, tricks, and solutions. By the way, you should also watch out this video, 20 Mac shortcuts that every user should know. Anyways, until next time, you take care of yourself, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching, Crazyators.